Okay, I am saying it to you again that if we are talking about balanced and unbalanced, how we check the equation is balanced and how to balance the chemical equation. Is it clear? Is I audible now?
Yes, sir, you're audible clearly.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See here, reactant and product. Okay, the equation is H2 plus O2 brings you H2O. Is it clear? Yes, tell me, beta. So in reactant part,
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
okay, in reactant part, hydrogen is 2, okay, oxygen is 2. In product part, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is, just tell me, how much oxygen is there? Is it
Also 2.
Ma'am,
how,
it's sorry.
how
Sir,
beta?
two.
Beta,
There is one.
this is called
There is
product.
one.
This is product. Okay, and this is
Sir,
reactant.
oxygen is 1 only.
Yes, beta, it's 1. Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir, it's clear. It's one.
Okay, so it is not balanced.
Because oxygen is not there.
In chemistry, whenever there is a need to write equation, we should write equation in a balanced form. Okay, so if we balance it, H2, 2 hydrogen is there, this is correct. Hydrogen is 2 here, hydrogen is 2 here. Okay, oxygen is 2 here, oxygen is 1 here, this is not okay. So we have to make it 2 so that it will become balanced. What to do? Okay, when we put 2 here, okay, then how much hydrogen atom is there? Two H2, what does it mean?
Sir, it means there are two atoms of hydrogen.
2 atoms of what about molecules? What does it shows? This number.
Sir, one molecule. Sorry, two molecules.
2 molecules of hydrogen. Okay. 2 hydrogen atom when combined they form 1 molecule.
Yes.
So in 2 molecules, how many hydrogen atoms are there?
4.
It's 4, na?
4, sir.
4. So how hydrogen is 4 here. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, but it is 2 here. And see once again, oxygen is 2, but there is no only one oxygen. So we have to make such that any number we make, if we make it 3, then see it will be your, beta, this is mathematics, try to understand, okay?
6. It will become 6.
It will become 6, okay? But here it will be 4, so it will not balance still. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's a skeletal equation.
Okay. If I put here, then okay, this 3 means that oxygen is also 3. Okay, if we put a whole number in beginning of the formula, okay, it means that this number is covered with every element. It is also in hydrogen and in oxygen also. Is it clear? This is understand like this, means this is with hydrogen also and this is with oxygen also. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this thing is okay. Now see here once more, but it is not balanced. What to do in trying to balance this equation? Just if we put 2 here, 2 here, okay, then it will become your 4, hydrogen is 4. Okay, and oxygen will be 2. And if we put here 2 again, so it will be hydrogen is your 4 and oxygen will be your, yes, how many oxygen will be there? Beta,
3. Sir, please repeat.
okay. Beta, onwards na, from this onwards, there is mathematics. Okay.
Please repeat what you asked.
Okay, I'm saying the previous slide.
No, sir, I understood whatever you were telling. Can you just repeat your question?
Okay, I am saying how many oxygen is there in the reactant part. In the reactant part, hydrogen will become 4, H will become 4. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4. In reactant part, hydrogen is also become 4. This part is okay. In oxygen, how many oxygen is there in this?
Sir, 3.
Beta 3? This is how 3? What is written here? What is this?
2.
Sir, there are two oxygens are there.
2 oxygen is
Yes.
there. And how many oxygen is there?
2.
How?
Oh, one is there.
We have
Oh.
one there.
Beta,
It's 2 and there.
who is saying one? Just lower your hand, yaar. Just tell me, beta, who is saying 2? And who is saying, first tell me who is saying 2?
Nabia was saying 2.
I said 1. I said first one is 2 and the second one is 1.
Okay, you said first one is 2 and second one is 1. Okay, that's
Yes.
wrong. Okay, second
It's
one
wrong.
is, okay, second one is also 2, because just now I told you if some number is written just before the equation, it means that this part is also included in every element.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means I'm doing it clearly here. Okay,
Can you write the question properly, please?
I will try.
Okay.
It is H2 plus O2, then it will be H2O. It will, I make it 2 here, so it will be 4 hydrogen. I make it 2 here, it will be 4 hydrogen. Oxygen is 2 here. Okay, but this 2 is takes part in hydrogen also and oxygen also. So oxygen will also become 2. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So this is our balanced equation.
Because the number of hydrogen and oxygen are equal on both the sides.
Yes. Is it clear? Always remember, this is very important. Means in the higher classes, there is a separate branch of chemistry, that is physical chemistry. Okay. So this is basically part of that chemistry, physical chemistry. So try to do it. These are some maths is there, calculation is there. Okay. So another thing is, another question is given to you, like I'm doing here. Mg plus O2 will be your MgO. Okay, this is your magnesium. This is your oxygen. This is your magnesium oxide. Okay. This is balancing is based on atomic theory. Remember this thing. Yes, how will you balance it? Just tell me. How will you balance this?
So should I tell?
Yes, you can tell me.
Should I tell, sir?
So should I tell?
Okay, Munazza, start first. You raised the hand earlier.
Okay, sir. So, sir, in this we see our equation. So the equation is Mg plus O2 forms MgO. In this, the Mg is also 1. In the reactants, Mg is 1, O is 2. And in the
Mg is 1. Okay.
product, Mg
Mg is 1, and just complete, let me write. Mg is 1 in the reactant part. I'm writing here reactant part. Mg is 1
yes,
and O is
2.
okay. Yes, in
And in
product.
products
हाँ,
Mg is still 1, but O also became 1.
will also become one.
Now it's an unbalanced equation because in the reactant there is one more oxygen
Okay,
molecule, atom, which is not
okay,
correct.
okay.
So now what we'll do, we'll have to balance it. So we'll put
Yes.
a 2 in the products part.
Okay, where? 2 in the
Here,
in between. Okay,
2.
okay.
But now Mg also got 2. So
Uh-huh.
now the reactants, now here also Mg requires, so we'll put a 2 before here.
Okay, you're using my skin. That's
Yes.
not good. Okay.
So now
Yes,
it's a
beta.
balanced equation because it's 2 Mg on both the sides and 2 O2 on both the sides.
Okay. Yes, is it clear? Yes, other students, is it clear?
Yes, sir, very clear, Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So please remember these things. That first of all, if you are confused, okay, if you confuse, first write the reactant and product and their numbers. Okay, like you can reactant, product, element, name and their numbers. Say element and their numbers. Okay, just practice it. Initially, it is required. Okay, when you get into rhythm, then there is no need of doing this. Just go through and add and subtract mentally. Is it clear? Yes, why is
Done.
To
And
ask one thing.
yes,
page
beta.
number 82, there are a lot of it.
In page
Sir,
number 82.
Sir, I want
Okay.
to ask one thing.
Okay. Yes, tell me.
Yes, so this topic is very interesting. I've done all of them.
This topic,
Like,
math, basically maths is interesting. That's it. In one word, I can say maths is a wonderful thing. Yes, beta, boys, are you able to understand this or not? Ammar, Zahid, Ukasha, and
Sir, I want to ask one thing.
yes, beta, tell me.
Sir, like in MgO, you have in the LHS, you have put 2. So
Okay.
there question where of 2.
And your voice is not coming properly. Yes, tell me. We put 2 here. Okay.
Sir, there may be some equations where we put
Equations
Seema, your voice is
not coming, beta. You message me. You record the message and send it to me. What she's saying. Okay, I am giving you one more. Just solve it. Try to solve this one also. Okay, H2 is already is done here. Okay, then CO2. CO2 plus H2O. Okay, there is any CO2. CO2 is there. Plus we are mixing H2O. Okay, we are doing, it will become your H2CO3. First thing, just check whether this is balanced or not.
No, sir, it's not balanced because in the reactants, it's 2. The CO is 2, and in the result it is 3.
Okay, calcium carbon is 1 here. Oxygen, how many oxygen is there?
2.
2.
Oxygen is in the
Beta,
reactants are
yes,
In
beta,
the
who is saying
reactants, 2
who
is
is
there,
saying
and
2? Just tell me who is
sir,
saying
I said
2.
that in the reactants 2 is there.
Beta, I am asking
Acha,
you.
acha, total 3.
Beta, acha, that's
Sorry.
not acha, okay? That's bura.
Sorry.
Okay, so that's 3. Okay, and how many hydrogen is there?
hydrogen is 2.
Hydrogen is 2.
Hydrogen is
Yeah, beta, other students, why you are not
2.
answering? Other students will also answer because this is Also in your course, okay, not in the course of these 3 or 4 students. If you are not getting that, let me know so that I will make you understand, inshallah. Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Hydrogen, two
hydrogen is
hydrogen
Hydrogen is 2.
hydrogen is 2, and yes,
in the reactant.
hydrogen is
Now in the product, hydrogen is 2
In the product also 2.
and oxygen is 3
oxygen is 3
and
and
1.
carbon is 1. Carbon is
Yes.
correct here. Okay, this carbon is okay. Hydrogen is 2, okay, and oxygen is 3. So is it not balanced?
It
It
is
is
balanced.
balanced.
It is
Right hand
balanced.
side of
Okay,
left hand side.
so don't get confused. Okay, this will be a type of question that's balanced it. Okay, so first you check it. If it is balanced, then no need to means apply more time there. Okay, don't waste time there. Just write it. It's balanced. Okay, if it's not balanced, just then you have to balance it. Is it okay to everyone? Beta, still, boys, please tell me, is it clear to you or not? I am telling you, your
No,
means.
sir.
Okay, just tell me which, what thing, which part you are unable to understand. Just tell me that.
So the whole process.
Okay, I am telling you again. If any chemical equation is given to you, it has 2 parts, reactant and product. Observe the number of atoms, molecules participating are there. Just hold on. In reactant part. Similarly, observe it on the product part. Yes. Just beta. Tell me, continue. Munazza Nabiya, what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes.
raising, you're raising hand. Just tell me.
Sorry,
Now the important. Just continue. Okay. Now
I'm
the
sorry.
okay. Beta, lower your hand, please. Okay. The important thing is that beta just observe the thing. Okay. Initially, you write the equation and put reactant, their elements, and number of atoms which are taking in reaction part, the whole element. If that means like this. Chale ja yahan se. Who is this? Just tell me who is this? Means are you forget every manners and all the decorum of the class? What does it show? It reflecting all your means. What should I say? You all know, huh? If you are not controlling yourself, then turn off your mic. Limit is there, huh? Means we are crossing the limits. Okay, so observe the total number of atoms in an element. Okay, if like this H2 plus H2O plus 2CO2, for example, so you have to write all the number of atoms, means take it at X, CO3 will be there, let's say. So you have to take how many total oxygen is there. It will be 4 because 2 is outside. So 2 will be 2 is 4 and 1 is there. So 5 oxygen atoms are there. in this reactant part. So in here you see 3 oxygen atoms are there. So we just balance it. All the number of atoms in elements should be balanced on both the sides. This is the main thing of this chemical balancing equation. Just balance each and every element so that they contain the same numbers. Yes, is it a little bit more clear? Who is asking me this question? Azra Shafi, I think.
No, sir, I asked.
Oh, Shaima. Yes, beta. Is it a little bit more clear?
Yes, sir.
Beta, try to do it. Okay. But just remember 2 things. We have to see reactant part, product part, and their number of atoms. Number of atoms in element on both the sides. Is it clear? For example, I'm giving you, this is, see this one, 5th SO2, SO2 plus O2 will give you SO3. Okay. Here oxygen is 4. Here oxygen is 3. Sulfur dioxide. Okay, sulfur is 1 here. Sulfur is 1 here. Okay, it's trioxide. Okay. So it is not balanced. First thing is we see not balanced. Sham, are you saying it clearly? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to balance it. Okay, what we do, just initially go hit and trial method, just put 2, let's say 2,